Good evening, everyone. It is July 20th and another opportunity to see the great comet NEOWISE in a northwestern sky right after sunset. I'm using this video to kind of give you an idea of where to find it and how to view it. A lot of people ask me about locations. Unfortunately, most locations on Long Island are going to be bombarded with light pollution. Looking northwest, you're looking towards New York City. And that just comes with light pollution, light pollution, light pollution. So if you can get out east, you can go upstate, you can get to the North Shore and just hope for the best. That's your best bet. A few nights ago, I went down to the parking lot of Gilgo Beach and I looked over the Great South Bay, and we were able to see it, but not necessarily with the naked eye. It was a little bit of a faint fuzzy, and once we hit it with binoculars and a telescope, we were able to see the comet. So that's your best bet, is probably binoculars. But I just want to show you where to look and how to find it. Right now I have the clock set on Stellarium, and this is the web-based version, so you can just go to stellarium-web.org if you want to do this yourself, and it's a great program to play around with. Right now this says 9:17 tonight, so it's your first opportunity to take a look. And here's Comet NEOWISE. And here's the Big Dipper. You see the Big Dipper? And this is pretty accurate to our light pollution, or in the very least my light pollution, where I can see not all of the stars of the Big Dipper. I could see 6 of them. It's really hard to see this one, and that's what happens with light pollution. But I want you to use the handle of the Big Dipper. So follow the handle down and continue past the rest of the Big Dipper, and there it is, okay? So it's, I don't even know, 10, 15 degrees, about a fist and a half. If you extend your arm out and you have a fist below the Big Dipper, that's probably where it is tonight, and in degree-wise. But if you follow the handle down, you will see something kind of fuzzy in the sky. That's it. Aim your binoculars at it and check it out. It's beautiful. It is something that you will want to see. There's 2 tails going on because we got the ion tail that is very apparent, and that is the pieces of the comet just kind of being blown away from the solar wind. And people think that the tail shows you the direction of the comet. In this case, yeah, because it's approaching the sun, but as it goes around the sun, the comet's not, the tail's not behind the comet anymore, it's actually in front of it. It's all about the solar wind pushing away the material of the comet. So check it out while it's still visible, and check it out if there's no clouds, because I think the next couple nights might be cloudy. All right, and take every opportunity you can. So let's fast forward a little bit in time, and you'll just see how this goes through the night. And as it gets later, it gets a little bit darker. We never see the sky like this, like I said, because of light pollution. You're not going to see the Milky Way the way it's being demonstrated here in the Northeast. But if you're looking northwest, look for the Big Dipper, look for the comet, and here we are. We're approaching 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, it's kind of low in the sky. Ooh, look, the International Space Station. Awesome. All right, keep that in mind, guys. After 10 o'clock, International Space Station will be in the sky. And notice that, I'm kind of jumping around here, and you can see that it goes across, it cruises across the sky. So there you see it, right behind the date box. But that's naked eye. It cruises across the sky, and I think that was at 10:07, so that's a good time to see it. I did not know that was happening, but that's pretty cool. But look, by the time you get 11 o'clock, it is too low in the sky. It is really low in the sky, and you're going to be affected. There was the International Space Station again, I believe. Okay, so there it is. Hopefully you get to see it. It looks like we got a good time after 10 o'clock because you can see the International Space Station. That is really cool to see, cruise across the sky. And hopefully some people get some good pictures. Maybe you can get both in the same shot. But definitely check out the comet. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Take care. Have a good night. Happy viewing.